Hello everyone. From this video we will be moving to EVS chapter 24 Home and Abroad. Today there was a lot of activity at Malu's house. Chittappan and his family were coming home after 5 years. Chittappan had got a job in a country called Abu Dhabi 5 years ago. So here Chittappan is coming back to his house after 5 years as he went abroad because he got a job in the country named Abu Dhabi. Since then he had lived there. Malu and her appa went to the airport to receive them. So here Malu, a girl, and her appa means father went to airport to receive them. After the plane landed, the passengers had to wait for some time to collect their luggage. At last, Chittappan, Kanjamma and their 2 children could be seen coming out. How big Shanta and Shashi have grown, Appa said. So here, as they came, as a plane landed, the passengers, they had to wait for some time to collect their luggage. Then Chittappan and Kanjamma with their 2 children, they came out. And Appa and Malu saw Shanta and Shashi, and they were grown up now. Soon the many suitcases and bags were fitted into the taxi and everyone was on the way to Malu's house. Later, they went to Malu's house. Shanta, you must be very tired after your long journey. Appa told me that Abu Dhabi is another country far from India, said Malu. Then, we are not tired. Even though it is far, our flight took only 2 hours, said Shanta. The plane flies very fast. As they traveled in plane, she said that Shanta said, I am not tired because even it is too far, just our journey was for 2 hours. Malu was surprised. She remembered that when she had gone on school trip to Chennai, then they spent almost 12 hours in the train. On the map, Kochi and Chennai seemed quite near. Malu, Shanta and Shashi chatted all the way home from the airport. Malu remembered how much fun she had on her school trips. She wanted Shanta to tell them all about her trip from Abu Dhabi. Now Malu was asking her trip from Abu Dhabi, what all she saw while coming in the journey. Okay, what all she saw, she was asking now to Shanta. Okay, and then Malu says that I went to a school trip to Chennai, but it took for 12 hours in the train. Then Shanta says, so aeroplane flies very fast and even though Abu Dhabi is far away, it took only 2 hours to reach. Then Malu asked, did you see many interesting things from the plane? Yes, said Shanta. Most of the time we saw only clouds because the plane was flying so high, even higher than the clouds. But before it went so high, we could see that we were flying over sandy areas. So here you can see the view from the plane, and you can see only clouds there because the plane was flying very high. Then Shanta says that plane was flying so high, even higher than the clouds. It was sand, but the color of the sand kept changing: white, brown, yellow, red and black. We saw mountains made only of sand. They are called sand dunes, said Shashi. So you can see the mountains here made up of sand and they are called as the sand dunes. Then Malu said, I have seen sand only at the seashore. Then you should come to visit us, said Chittappan. The countries around Abu Dhabi are located in a desert area. Even if one drives a little away from the city, one can see miles and miles of sand. No trees, no greenery, just sand. So you can see everywhere there is sand. And I used to dream of the thick greenery and cool water around our home in Kerala, said Kanjamma. And she says, I am so happy to see all this after such a long time. The children have almost forgotten how it feels when it rains. You know it almost never rains in desert areas, said Chittappan. Water is really very precious. over there. No rain, no rivers, no lakes, no ponds. Even below the ground there is no water. But, added Shashi, there is a lot of oil under the sandy soil. So, petrol is easily available in these countries. In fact, petrol is cheaper than water, said Chittapan. By this time, the taxi had reached Malu's house. Shanta and Shashi were surprised to see many fruit trees, coconuts, bananas, jackfruit, papaya, and betel nut, and so many trees. Shashi said, "We used to see only one kind of tree, the date palms, because it is the only one that can grow in the desert. The date is the most common fruit, which we see in Abu Dhabi." So Shashi says that the date palm is the only tree. Nice gifts and photographs. After they had met everyone, Kanjama unpacked their bags. They had bought gifts for everyone. They gave dates for everyone to eat. The dates were very sweet and tasty. Shashi showed Malu some notes and coins. So after coming, they unpacked their bags and Shashi showed some notes and coins. So Shanta explained that the money they used in Abu Dhabi was different and was called dirham. It had some writings in their local language, that is in Arabic. They also showed many photographs of the place where they lived. So this is the dirham coin used in Abu Dhabi. Then Chittapan gave Malu a globe. He said, "Malu, why don't you locate Abu Dhabi on this? Locate Kerala also." The children enjoyed playing with the globe and looking for different places on the globe. Malu found Chennai and Kochi also. So here Chittapan, he gave Malu globe and he said to locate Kerala as well as Abu Dhabi. Then all the children, they were enjoying playing with the globe and Malu located Chennai and Kochi also on the globe. Then in the evening, everyone sat in the veranda, enjoying the breeze and looking at the photographs. They saw that in Abu Dhabi, the buildings were tall with many stories and big glass windows. Malu said, "You must be getting nice cool breeze through the big windows." Chittapan said, "We cannot open the windows because of the heat. It is air conditioned inside. There, everyone stays as the weather is very hot. People wear loose cotton clothes and keep themselves fully covered." So here, because of heat, they cannot open the windows and it is air conditioned from inside and everyone stays inside. And as the weather is very hot, people wear loose cotton clothes and keep themselves fully covered. And even they cover their head. This protects them from the strong sun. Malu enjoyed looking at the pictures and finding out about the other country from her cousins. She constantly kept comparing her city with the things that they described about Abu Dhabi. She decided that she would make a project report about Abu Dhabi for her class. So here Malu enjoyed everything. The pictures and what all they were explaining about Abu Dhabi, all she was comparing with her city. And finally she decided to make a project about Abu Dhabi for her class. Thank you.